Hey there, and welcome to Skill Hub, your go-to channel for mastering new skills, staying ahead in the digital world, and unlocking opportunities to make money online. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'm here to guide you with easy-to-follow strategies that actually work. Today's topic: did you know that AI can help you pick winning stocks, reduce investment risks, and even automate your trading decisions? Yes, artificial intelligence is transforming the way people analyze and invest in stocks, and today I'm diving deep into how you can use AI to make smarter, more profitable trades. But before we get started, do me a quick favor. If you love learning new ways to grow your income, hit that like button and subscribe to Skill Hub so you never miss out on our latest videos. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to investing? Drop a comment below. We read every single one and might even feature your question in a future video. Stock market investing used to be all about human intuition, experience, and manual research. But now, AI is revolutionizing the way traders and investors analyze stocks. So, how exactly does AI do this? AI can process millions of data points in seconds, something no human could ever do. It scans through historical price patterns, news articles, earnings reports, and even social media sentiment to predict stock movements. It eliminates emotional decision-making, allowing for more accurate and data-driven trades. For example, hedge funds and big financial firms are already using AI-powered algorithms to make split-second trading decisions. And the best part? Now you can use the same AI tools to improve your investing game. Now that you know what AI can do, let's talk about some of the best AI-powered tools you can start using today. Yahoo Finance Premium, TradingView AI, FinViz Elite, Ticker, ChatGPT, and Bard. Most of these tools offer free trials, so I highly recommend checking them out to see which one fits your investing style. Now let's put this knowledge into action. Here's how you can build an AI-powered trading strategy in just a few steps. Choose an AI-powered platform, set investment goals, use AI stock screeners, backtest your strategy, automate or manually trade. Even though AI is powerful, it's not foolproof. Always double-check AI recommendations and never invest more than you can afford to lose. AI can be a great tool, but it's not magic. Here are some common mistakes you should avoid. Relying 100% on AI, ignoring risk management, using unverified AI tools, not testing strategies first. The key to success? Use AI as a tool, but always apply your own research and judgment. If you want to dive deeper into AI-powered investing, check out these resources: Investopedia, Yahoo Finance, TradingView. These platforms offer free stock analysis tools, tutorials, and expert insights. And that's a wrap for today's video. Now you know exactly how AI can help you analyze stocks and make smarter investment decisions. Which AI tool are you excited to try first? Or do you have a favorite investing strategy? Drop a comment below. We might feature your question in our next video. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to Skill Hub for more money-making tips. Share this video with friends who want to level up their investing skills. Thanks for watching Skill Hub. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next one.